to score a lot of points in that first two quarters?
We're just being aggressive. My deep shot wasn't falling. I'm always able to get to the rim. I'm a really good pull-up jump shooter, so I was able to find other ways, to put the ball in the basket. And at the end of the day, we got to be able to put the ball in the basket to win the game. So I was able to do that. And then the second half, my guys stepped up, made some big shots. Even right at the beginning, making tough shots. You got to give credit to those guys. Ray hit a couple. You just got to give credit to my teammates for being able to step up in big moments.
Coach, yun nga na-mention ni Ronde about your outside shooting. You started flat in the first half, but Kenny started hitting one, then RR got a lot of shots. Then when Ginebra was coming back, you kept countering those runs with one or two threes.
Yeah, I played in a golf tournament this morning and I was missing putts this short. They kept flipping out. Labas na sabi ko. I said, it's okay if I miss my shots now as long as my players make their shots tonight. So, luckily, that's what happened. I'll take that anytime. In the end, like Ronde said, we can play all the defense we want, but the game is still about putting the ball in the hoop. It's still about scoring points. So the key is for us to get good shots. As long as we keep consistently getting good shots, some will fall, some will not. But at least we are the entire objective of our offense is to get good shots. So I think that's what you saw when they weren't helping too much on Ronde. He was getting his points, and then when they started helping on Ronde, it opened up the others. So Kim made a three, Glenn made a couple, Ray made a couple, aside of course from Roger and Calvin. So hopefully we can sustain that. That's the shooting we need.